Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so for us to achieve what we just talked about, I need you to first head to your CapCut app, okay? When you are on your CapCut app, you do your normal editing, alright? Let me go back. This is the one I've already done. Like, as you can see, this video is, I think I have it into two places, okay? Because if you want to get this free caption that I want to teach you, if you want to get it, you don't need videos that are like split into two. You need your video to just be one. Okay, so once you are done with your normal editing on your CapCut app or any editing app you use, you simply go here and export. Okay, so once you are done exporting, just make sure you have that video. Okay, so here we have it on our
My name is
gallery.
Olachi Zacks.
So next up is for you to head on to this amazing app called TikTok. So let's head on to this beautiful app called TikTok. Okay, so yeah, this is me. Okay, so you head over to this place that is showing your phone gallery and the rest of it. So when you are over there, just simply choose the video. Okay guys, so once you upload your video, just click on this place that says next. Once you click on next, it will bring out these options for you. So just click on that arrow. You will have as you can see, we are seeing captions, so choose caption.
Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Olachi Zacks.
So all you have to do is once this video is done transcribing, you just need to go into it and correct some mistakes. This is AI, so it's not perfect. Just correct some mistakes. Just go over all this and correct some things that you feel like the words were wrongly spelled. Okay. Once we are done with this, go back to where the video started. You can click on this auto caption and go over here that says edit caption. So when you are in edit captions, you have your style. When you click on style, you see all these beautiful fonts and colors. So choose the one you prefer the most. All right. For me, I think I'm going to choose this one.
Hi
Right.
everyone,
Yeah, I
welcome to
think
my
I'm going to
channel.
choose this. I like this one. Okay, so don't make the mistake of leaving the auto caption outside of the video. As you can see, this auto caption is not inside this video. So I'm gonna see where it was before, right? So I'll just place it inside my video and make sure that it's in the video, okay? So for those that TikTok is not updated, just click on this place that says edit. Once you click on edit, you will see options for caption. In case you click on the drop down and you're not seeing captions. So next thing you have to do is click on settings. Okay, settings is above that edit. Just make sure that you off your post to be shown to everyone. Okay, like as you can see, I said only me. We are doing that because you have to post this video for us to retrieve it into our gallery. So next step is for you to click on this place that says save. So once you click on save, it will show you this stuff. Now I need you to take notice. They will give you options to save post with watermark, then post to save without watermark, and post to your story. The best option to choose is to post to your story. Reason being that if you post it as a normal post on your TikTok, it will download to your phone as a vertical video, which will make you to go back to your phone gallery or an editing app to crop it to have this YouTube standard, which is 16 by 9. But if you post to your story, there is no need for you to crop it. It will download to your video to your phone gallery as a 16 by 9 video. I tried it and that is why I'm teaching you guys this. Okay, so try it, and when you are posting, please post to your TikTok story and not as a post. If you want it to download as a landscape video for YouTube videos, then if you are maybe doing Instagram, TikTok, just post your normal vertical videos. Okay, it will save as a vertical video. And as you guys can see over here, this is uploading to my story. Okay, so that is it for today's video. In case you have any other video request, this particular video was a request from a friend and one of my subscribers. So if you have any other video request, do let me know.